In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a free SSL certificate to your GoDaddy domain. It's actually pretty simple and only takes a few minutes once you know where everything is. First, log in to your GoDaddy account and go to your product page. Here you'll see your hosting plans. Select the domain where you want to add SSL. Then click on Manage. From here, we'll open the cPanel. So click on cPanel Admin and wait for it to load. Now that we're inside cPanel, scroll down until you see the Security section. Under that, click on SSL/TLS. On this page, click on the option that says Generate, View, or Delete SSL Certificate Signing Requests. In this form, you'll need to enter your details. Select the first option for a new key. Type your domain name exactly as it is, then enter your city, state, and country. You can also add your company name if you want. Once that's done, click on Generate. You'll now see that a certificate code has been generated for your domain. Copy the entire code carefully from the first box. Then click on Return to SSL Manager, and from there, select Manage SSL Sites. On this page, click on Browse Certificates. You should see the domain you just created a certificate for. Select it, and then click on Use Certificate. Once your details are filled in, scroll down and click on Install Certificate. It may take a few seconds, but as soon as it's done, you'll see a message saying your SSL has been successfully installed. That means your domain is now secure with HTTPS, and visitors will see the lock icon instead of a Not Secure warning. If you open your website in a new tab, make sure to type HTTPS before your domain and check that it loads without any errors. Sometimes you may need to clear your browser cache or wait a few minutes for the changes to take effect. But once it's working, your website is fully protected with SSL. That's all you need to do. This process works even if you're using the free SSL option instead of purchasing one from GoDaddy. The only thing to remember is that free SSL certificates usually expire after a few months, so you'll need to renew them. It's a small step, but it keeps your site secure and builds trust with your visitors. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to install a free SSL certificate on your GoDaddy domain. If you found it useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.